Alright, so before we get started, I legitimately am trying to take a break, but you know, when you get an email offering you cool stuff to check out and make a video on, it's really hard to say no. Yep, folded like a house of cards. Alright, let's on to the review. Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. We're going to be doing a review. So I'm going to have the first one up today. So today should be Tuesday. And then this one will be up Thursday. So instead of local eats, there'll be a review, which you could, you know, read the description, so you probably already know. But I don't know which is which yet. So we're going to go with the little box first. Because, yeah, why not? I mean, I'm going to open both anyway, so. I don't know which one this is. I don't normally do unboxings because I think they're a little lame, but the reason I decided to do it like this is because I don't know which one is going to be the, well, like I just said, I don't know which is going to be which. Alright, so we're starting off with the headlamp. Here's the package. And let's get the sucker out. So we have some accessories, which we'll go over. Charging cable. And then the headlamp. So let's let me turn the camera down and we'll give you a good look and we'll go over the info. Alright, so I actually came to the park here to do lunch, which is coming up. But got my information for you. So let's get the camera down and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so headlamp. Now, I've only seen a picture of this. I have not seen it. Actually had a chance to touch it. So that's what she looks like. So it's got a rechargeable battery, which is why you need a charging cable with it. And it also comes with, these are hard hat clips. Well, I actually have a hard hat. I'll have to see if I can dig it out. Maybe I'll do it at home. But it has hard hat clips, so you can attach this to your hard hat. Now, it's called the I think it's called the Xowl headlamp. See if they gave me any. So they gave me batteries. Sweet, right off the bat. I like this right on top. That's pretty nice. It's got the USB charging port right here. So you just open it up, charge it. Now I gotta say, I got an EDC flashlight, and I really appreciate the fact that I haven't had to go and buy new batteries. I just have to recharge the ones that they come with, and I really like that. It's a great little feature. You just gotta make sure you charge them. So let's run some stats over. So, sorry, my big feet. This guy has 1900 lumens on high, and that will run for 6 hours, according to their website. 900 lumens on medium mode, and that will run 9 to 10 hours. That's continuous. And then 350 lumens on low for 12 hours, which is not bad. Like USB rechargeable, like I said. Now it actually comes off the strap, which is kind of nice. I keep pulling it too high. And it also has a magnetic base, so when I get home I will stick this to the side of my car, so if you're changing a tire you can just thunk this right to the side of something. See, it'll stick to my, well, it's kind of slidey, but it is sticking. It's probably not metal enough. That might be. So it's magnetic backed. $39.99 for this headlamp. Now right now on their website, which is why I'm rushing this forward, they have a Black Friday sale for 20% off with the code BLACK in all capital letters, BLACK. So 20% off, also free shipping. So let's it's got an adjustable headband, and it's also got the top, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, sliding down your face. But let's go ahead and throw it on and see how it looks. Alright, so now I haven't adjusted this yet for my big melon, but I can do that. Let's see if it goes on first. That's actually pretty close for my big head. So, and like I said, it's got the hard hat clips, so the should be right here on top. It's the light. That should be the high. I'm sorry if I flashed you. And then medium, and then low. And I didn't see a strobe or a blink or strobe or like beacon modes or anything, but I never use that crap anyway. And unless it has it, then you gotta hold it down. You turn it on, then we'll hold it. And I don't see it doing anything, so sweet. I'm not going to miss those modes, to be totally honest with you. I hardly ever use them. But, and of course, like I said, you could just take it off for whatever you're using it for. So maybe you drop your band in the river, so you're leaving it to dry, but you still need a light. Oh, I didn't realize. It also, when you're wearing it, like I said, I just got this in the mail the other day. I might have to adjust it a little bit, but you can adjust the headlamp down if you're working, so you can adjust it towards your feet. I might have to extend this a little bit because, like I said, I got a big head. So I'll do that off camera. Alright, so of course with I put my hat back on and I just turned it around so I could actually utilize the light. So you'll probably be seeing me wearing it while I'm camping because I gotta try it out. Plus, you know, if I don't use it, how am I going to do a year worth of gear if I don't actually take it out and use it in the field? So, yeah, so far it's pretty nice. I will, excuse me, just had lunch, so I will, tonight I'll go out and because it gets dark sooner, I'll go out tonight and I'll do some night shots, so we'll see how well it works. I really like the fact that it's rechargeable, because I've bought more batteries for lights than I care to think about. Just because I end up leaving them all and they get cooked in my pocket. So, and 1900 lumens is pretty bright, so I like that. So anyway, what was the company again? Oh, it was on the side of the headband. It's like HOKOlite. Headlamp, headlamp, headlamp. Oh, it doesn't actually say, it just says headlamp around the band. Oh, there we go. Dang. So, throws a pretty dark beam, or a pretty bright beam. That should be high, 9,000 lumens, or 19,000 lumens. Let's go ahead and put the headlamp on. Hopefully no one comes charging out here because they see a light. But lights up a pretty big area. Now it has a, if it's on for 8 seconds, it will have, it'll turn off again. So I'll have to turn it off and then back on to change the mode. So that's medium, which is still pretty bright. And we'll go, okay, so that's low, which actually low is about all I would need just for, you know, answering a call of nature in the middle of the night if you needed to. So you can just throw on your headlamp and then, you know, we'll take care of business. Yeah, it's not too bad. So hopefully that's coming up on camera, all right? Alright, so I got it on low mode right now. And that's just low, and it's adequate light for, you know, just what I need. So yeah, it's not bad at all. I probably wouldn't need the other modes unless I was doing something else. Okay, so I'm out here by the truck, and I wanted to try the magnet out. I'm running the light on the camera, but if I was changing a tire, you know what? It hooked right on. Look at that. Since the truck's actually metal, you know, older vehicle, so it's got you know, all metal. So you can just, if you're working on changing a tire, see if I turn the light up on the camera. So if I was changing a tire, I could change a tire without that much light. Probably wouldn't be happy about it, but you know, you could get her done if you didn't have the straps. Which I got right here in my pocket, which you can probably see in the shadow, but it's a pretty good magnet. It's not bad at all. And so that's actually, that was just low mode too. So alright, so there's the nighttime footage. I do thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for the link for the website, and I'll put any little specs I may have forgotten. I think I forgot to mention the weight. I did actually kind of some good timing, because a tractor just went by with a big leaf blower for the road. Anyway, the light brand is HOKOlite. Never heard of it, but it seems pretty nice. It's a 5.29 ounces, so I'm not sure that's totally accurate, but I'll see if I can get my scale at home and we'll check the weight. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.